temperatures.
The compliance of the service temperature is critical to correctly perceive every nuance of the wine that you are about to taste. A too low temperature would not even allow you to perceive the most typical hints of a wine, and a too high temperature would force the alcohol to overlap all the most delicate hints. It is important to keep in mind that in summer, especially in warm countries, it is very difficult to taste red wines because when the ambient temperature exceeds the ideal temperature of a specific wine, the perception of its features becomes extremely difficult, imprecise, and not very pleasant. For a proper monitoring of the temperature, there are specific analog and digital thermometers which are very cheap but very effective. The following list is quite general but surely helpful. Serving temperatures: from 4 to 6 Celsius, sparkling wines; from 6 to 8 Celsius, white and rosé wines; from 8 to 10 Celsius, white and rosé structured wines; from 10 to 14 Celsius, aged white wines, fresh reds and nouveau; from 14 to 18 Celsius, sparkling red wines and fresh reds; from 18 to 22 Celsius, aged red wines; from 8 to 18 Celsius, dessert wines; from 12 to 18 Celsius, fortified wines.